Yo guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Dan TD. Oh, I'm not Dan TDM, my bad. Welcome back to a brand new video here. Who is that? Is that a robot? Who are you? JK guys, this is my mini Stubbsy / son, my son. And he's robot Stubbsy today. His cousin gave him this for his birthday. That was actually 10 years ago. Come on. So, new cosmetics. Come on. Well, come on. Why is my dog drinking water right here? Let's pet my dog quickly. My dog just walked by you. Oh my god, my hand, bro. I have dog hair in my hand. Why am I going this way? Yeah, he knows where to go. So this is new. What's your opinion on this? What's your opinion on this? Good or no?
Meh. No. Nah.
What about these? What's your opinion on all of these? Okay, medium or yes or no? Oh my god, I have so much stuff there. Medium?
You know what?
Like
Sigma. So yeah, that's a yes.
What about like
a 6, 7.
okay, go, shoot. I'm just joking. No, I'm just joking. Come back. No, but
yes,
actually, just
no.
go. Just go. Just like. We'll just cut this part out. Just shoot like it. Anyways, so what's your opinion on this? Okay, if this video gets 50 likes, I'll give someone watching. Actually, I'll give you one of these. And if this video gets, let's see. If this video gets however many likes, like 100 likes, 70 likes, I'll buy you one of these. 70 likes, I'll buy someone watching this, and 50, I'll buy you one. So, anyways, let's go. My Grapple! How dare you run away, Mr. Grappler? Okay, guys, so there's a new item in Tech Tree. Why is my robot just freezing? Right over here. Wait, let's go get it. Epic. DentiDM. It's I'm to the B. I'm to the B. If you know. So, I was about to say hit the new item. I was still about to say hit the new item. But clearly not. I got a lot there. Hit the new item. Okay. Yo, these are heavy. Do you not feel... Well, you can see like a white outline. Leak number, I don't know how many at this point, but it's a leak on. Yo, that just scared me so bad. Anyways, let's go check out the new item. So it used to be where if you hit B, they would turn on, but now... Why is it we don't buy the drills before anything? Anyways, you can also do 4-wheel drive. Look. And guys, wait, yo. You cannot tell me this is not the item from Fortnite. Like, look at that on screen. Does that not look like this? Look, it's on screen. Like, you can't say it doesn't look like this. Like, right on your head. You cannot say... Yeah, right there. Let's go test it out on you. Come here. Wait, let me just check if it's, PvP.
It is mainly for...
Come here.
It's mainly just for, like, mine.
Oh shoot, gotta go. Wait.
I teleported outside the map.
Okay, how about this? You come here and you do it on me so I can show them how much damage it does. From my...
Okay. Oh, shoot.
Just drill me
Sitting.
once. Just go like... Wait, do it again. So it does like 1% of damage. Oh shoot! Okay, let's go see what they like.
Okay, let's not fight anymore.
Like a
Yeah,
mine.
let's not do that anymore.
Let's go mining.
Yeah, it like one shots the like one of the ores. Oh shoot, my alarm went off.
Totally his alarm.
That was my phone. That was actually my phone.
I never gave you a phone. Yo! Yo! This is crazy! Mining just got... Oh shoot, we need to go find a way. Anyways, I'll put another leak here while I try to find my way out. Okay, we'll check. So, here's one, two, but like you can just hold it, like in just. How did I take damage? Yeah. You can. Block it? Nope. Okay, so my guess is 1, 2. Oh, 2. Well, yeah. Here's another leaf on 3. If I have that many, if I don't, I won't put one. Okay, wrap out. Where's lava pit? Wow. Wrap out for lava crystal. I wonder. Yo, help me. Okay, I wonder how much. It just gave me. Yo. I'm gonna kick him. Yo. Okay, can you kill monsters with it? I gave up on that. Anyways, let's go find a way back. I might have another leaf. So, here's another leaf. Let me just do that. Shoot. Anyway, guys. Oh. Yay!
You don't want me to make those weird noises again, do you?
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.
Comment.
6-7.